Hello my friends, it's nice journey of HTML CSS interview questions with all of you. But I am observing that most of the people are not following my complete playlist, so they are having lots of doubts. So please follow the complete playlist of HTML CSS interview questions to get all your doubts resolved and be confident in each and every interview. What is specificity in CSS? Specificity is the means by which browser decides which CSS property values are more relevant to an element and therefore will be applied. For example, if same element is having class name and ID also, and at both the places we are writing same CSS property. So which particular thing, that means ID or class, should be applied? Let's see this particular thing in our VS Code to have a clear understanding of the concept. Here we will create one div tag with value Khushbu. Now I will provide ID to this element. So ID is equal to name ID I will write, just to make a difference between ID and class name. Name class. To apply ID to this element, I will copy this thing, Control V. Yes. So I will apply background color of red to an ID. And for class name, I will apply background color of green. Yes. So as per our specificity, we have both ID and class name. And here ID should be applied, not a class. Yes, it is working like that. Now we are able to see ID is having higher priority over class and tag. And their sequence is something like ID, then class and then tag. But what will happen if same ID will have multiple declaration? Let's see in our VS Code. Suppose ID is having background color red. After that font is given some color of blue. Then I am again giving background color of, this time I will give pink. Let's see what's happening in our browser. Now our background color is coming as pink, because if there will be a multiple declaration, then the last declaration will be applied. But what if I will write this green as an important? Oh, yes, now it's correct. Yeah, when we will make that tag as an important, then class will also take a precedence over an ID. So this thing is a very important to keep in mind. With this, we will sum up this video tutorial. Let's meet in our next video tutorial. Thank you very much for now.